There are basic principles that are universal. There are certain truths which are self-evident. And the United States of America will never waver in our efforts to stand up for the right of people everywhere to determine their own destiny. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. This should be self-evident. We, the people, in order to form a more perfect union, we hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. These are not just words. They're a living thing, a call to action, a roadmap for citizenship, and an insistence in the capacity of free.
Summit is an important opportunity to advance the US-Nordic cooperation and to reiterate the values that we share and the truth that we hold for being self-evident. Because
we hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that we're endowed with certain inalienable rights, that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. That's a wonderful story.